Okay, we are back. That was the car that was driving me, by the way, that I was writing for. Alright, so we're gonna continue down the street. Let's get prepared. Don't do this, home viewers. Man, it's windy. I gotta hold on one hand and proceed. You can't really hear me, I don't think. Alright, wait. Alright. So you guys, old car behind me. Try to stop, slow down. Alright. Trying to get off the sidewalk. Oh boy. Look at that. It's a Coca-Cola bottle. But don't worry, viewers, I'm not that desperate. We must continue going. Besides, I'm more of a Dr. Pepper person. A Dr. Pepper, I don't like the other doctor stuff. Or stuff that makes it. Well, I like Pep Extra. I loved Mr. Pibb as a kid, but never mind, I'm getting off subject. Or topic, whatever. Well, actually, there was no topic, and I don't really know. It's kind of impromptu, like everything else I do. Random. Now you can see we are in another part of the world. This time we have no civilization. Unless there's a shed in. No, I do know that there's sheds in the woods out here. But they're probably deep and way back in the woods. But, oh man. This is actually enjoyable. Oh shit. You guys heard that? Hey, is that a blue jay? I don't know if you guys saw that. I don't know how bad the glare is. But, no, this is not a voiceover. This is actually me talking. Man, 3 minutes already. We got a lot of hills. So you come down towards this direction, you got a lot of hills to get up. I mean, we got hills where one side would be so high up, like a mountain, and then you got the other lane way on the ground. You go in the opposite direction. 2 lanes like this. This one up on the hill, and the other one going in the opposite direction down on the west on the hill. And you could actually look over it. That's the hilly part. Oh, man. My legs are starting to get tired, kind of. But I can handle it. I can handle it. I hope I can do this again soon. But I need my water before